Hi everyone, want to start here. Big shout out to Koga Ninja Crew and Wednesday Night Wiff. It's another press I'm going to do ahead of time here. And this is candy preserve once again, 28 grams. Let's gonna get this show on the go. I talk too much. If you guys notice my fingernails a little bit on the dirty side, well, I've been doing lots of hash, so excuse me. Excusez-moi. I'm just barely taking it up, not even quite at a ton. And we're at 220 on the plates. I just shut them off. I kind of like to do that. I'll just bring up my temp and they can just slowly come back down. And it is pretty slow. Oh, I can see a little bit of ooze happening, so we're gonna zoom in. Take you down a little bit here. Still at 1 ton, I'm gradually increasing. Because Lost Art doesn't have blowouts no more. We're at 2 tons. 2 American US tons. And we're at 3 metric tons. Damn, stuff's gonna leak a little bit again. I don't want to do that, but oh well. Two metric tons, baby. Nearing 4 US tons. Temperatures at 220. Four and a half US tons. Taking it all the way up to 5 US tons. Just little bits at a time. We're almost done here. We had 5 metric tons. 5.5 US. We're gonna call it there, people. I'll pull that off, just hang on. Oh, crap. That didn't work out quite the way I wanted it, but a little bit of a mess, but not a big deal. Gonna have to fix that. I gotta get my dab tool or I'm gonna get this all over the table. So, anyways, peace out from Lost Art. Stay lifted. Koga Ninja Crew, Wednesday Wiff.